Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own moon brew soup blend for your menstrual phase. Add your Chinese herbs. I use Romania, peony root, cassia, reishi mushroom, fennel, cramp bark, fenugreek, and astragalus. Add your water to your crock pot, leaving about an inch to the top. Closing the lid and putting your crock pot on low heat, leaving it overnight or 8 to 12 hours to brew. Strain it in a soup pot and lift your colander to have a nice rich broth. Now cut up your choice of vegetables. I love using root veggies, greens, and adding aromatics. I use ginger and garlic. Putting it all together to saute in oil. Adding some pumpkin seeds, crushing up sea salts and herbs. I use nori, red clover, and pine needle. Adding your choice of protein. You can leave it as a veggie soup or meat, whatever you prefer. And combine your Chinese broth with veggie and protein. Adding a little garnish and sitting with your bowl in presence, a soup blend you can enjoy throughout your whole menstrual phase for deep nourishment.